I use almost exclusively the traffic metric from Ahrefs to page to pick keywords now. Like I don't use search volume, I don't use CPC, I don't use any of that. I just use search intent, like are people likely to buy when they type this query, and that's still kind of like a gut feeling thing. This one, or like how can I angle this piece so that I can sell stuff? Together with looking at the pages that rank for that query, and Ahrefs gives me an aggregated number that is an estimate of the search traffic that page gets across all long tail variations of all keywords, and figures that out. And that has completely changed the game for me on how I do keyword research. I'm quite amazed that not more people talk about this. It is actually also on Ubersuggest, so if you kind of like now Ubersuggest is paid, I think it's $9 a month or something. But they actually have that traffic data as well. And to me, that's been one of the biggest game changer. And I do think